Next to you.
Next to you, next to you.
Ah, okay.
So sino muna? Ako? Thank you sa pagbibigay. Makulit. Yee! Thank you sa pagbibigay joy sa Bini. And you do you.
Aww. Bebe, I love you so much and I cannot live without you. I hope you live 100 years. And I hope na matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo because you deserve to be happy, you deserve to love, and you deserve to you deserve it. You deserve.
Okay, I felt it. Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm so hurt. I'm so offended.
I'm sorry. I don't care. Mix, thank you so... Let me hold your hand, baby.
Dahil hold my hand. Joke.
Please stop! Hindi ka ba sa akin tumitingin, baby? Mix,
Maggagawa na yan ng dapa ko dyan.
Mix, I thank you so much. You know that we appreciate you so much. You may be silent.
You really are
Silent but deadly, parang utot.
But you are a silent angel and our silent protector and our silent marshal. So thank you so much, Mix. I love you and you are the prettiest in the room. It depends on if Ate Jo's here, then you're not. Okay, I love you. Mwah.
Thank you. I love you too. Ate Aya. May kaya ka ba? Ayan. I hope that you are in a good state now. I'm happy.
She's not.
Ang uuwi nito. I hope that you're happy where you are now, and I hope that if you're not, you find that clarity and state of contentment.
Aw, I am
Yeah.
contented with myself.
And I love you.
Edit na yan ngayon. Edit na yan. Ang bloom.
Ayun, gawin mo.
May mas mo edit. Okay, next.
Oh, siya.
Ganun nga na, Pogi. Basta sa akin yan dati.
Makakat na yung video eh. Oh.
Tapos na raw yung live.
Ayun, bebe, ikaw yung ano.
Oh. Stacy.
I sit here.
Hi, Ayasi. Ayasi. Oh. Wait. To Stacy, you're very kikay and you bring so much light to the
I
group.
know that.
Because you're the spotlight. Because you're so maputi. Hindi. Pero you bring so much joy, so continue being that.
I love you.
I love you.
Hello? Wala silang ano.
Spark.
Wala kaming spark. May kaya talaga.
May kaya lang talaga yung nagpapakilig. Anyway, ito talaga ang may spark. Jo, pwedeng tanggalin mo yung jacket mo. To Joanna, ang ganda mo today. Jo, you're so pretty today. Ayun, I just want to tell you na you are heard. You are seen. And you are enough and you're valid and maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Valid.
You're
Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo and kasama na kami dun girls. Kahit na lagi ka naming inaasar, binubuli. Alam mo naman na ikaw ang happiness namin. You're our sunshine. And ayun, we love you, Jo.
You're sunshine.
Ikaw, okay na? Okay na, Josie?
Gwenny! Ano, meron ba kayo? Ay, meron joke Gwen na mga dalawa. Si Ate Min. Gwena.
Hi, Bebe! Ewan ko, parang feeling ko yung, aside from Bebe, parang softness yung heart ko pagdating sa'yo. And thank you for always showing up. Kahit 2% ka na lang.
Ayun, super na-appreciate namin. And tama, buti na bring up kanina ni Bebe yung sa Cleveland kasi talagang tumatak din sa akin yun na hinintay mo talaga kami sa labas. Yung mga ganong ways mo, di ba? Doon mo pinapa-feel sa amin yung love mo kahit di ka vocal. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for appreciating
Bebe.
me. Okay.
Hello, may coach. May coach.
Coaching?
Clarity movement.
Hala, may ganaps pa.
Oh, ito naman, para to sa... Wait lang, para to sa... Ano? Apat na gulit.
Apat tagwilit. Si Ate Milet.
Ate Colette, thank you for being such a good ate.
Thank you sa pagbili
Mas
ng TV mo.
Oy, lagi kong kakampi to si Ate Colette. Kahit anong gawin ko, kinakampihan niya ako. Lagi akong tama sa paningin niya. Ayun, thank you sa longer patience mo na talaga. Iba na talaga. Congratulations!
Iba, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Colette.
Uy, show ko pala